This is a quick tutorial on how to use Git for the class assignment. So first thing first, you need to sign up for GitLab account and create a private project called CS251 Summer 2020. You also have to sign up for a GitHub account. Once you have those two accounts, you can generate your SSH key and add the key to both the accounts. Let's generate the SSH key using this command on the terminal, and follow the instruction on the terminal. Once we have generated the key, copy the key and add the key to the GitLab account. And also to the GitHub account. Once we are done with these two steps, now we can go ahead with cloning the GitLab repository to our local repository. Now let's change the directory to the working directory and get the skeleton from the read-only assignment. And now we are good to pull the skeleton. This is going to take some time. Once this is pulled, we'll see the assignment appearing here. Now we can import or open the project. Here. Work on the assignment. We can now commit the changes. And finally push the changes to the repository. The push can take some time to get completed. Once the push is done, you would be able to see the changes reflected on the GitLab repository. Remember that you can commit and push as many times as you want, but the last one is the one that would be evaluated. Thank you for watching.